Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Motorola Moto G53. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices. Then tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, tap on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now do exactly the same on the other one. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Now click on Send at the bottom left corner of this Motorola smartphone and Receive at the bottom next to Send on Motorola Moto G53. Also on G53, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Motorola smartphone. Finally, you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories above. This way, you will select all of those files. In order to continue, choose Send next to Selected. You can also just click on the chosen ones, in my case this one, and tap on Send as well. Now choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon next to Input key on G53. Tap on while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. If you want to input this key instead, you need to tap on Input key section below Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers correctly, and then connect using Receive button. So now when I click on it, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!